Remember when you used to draw animals as a kid? You probably used whatever crayons you had on hand, creating fantastical creatures like purple polar bears and pink grasshoppers. But what if I told you that some of these imaginative creations aren't as far-fetched as they seem? The animal kingdom is indeed more colorful than we might expect. Join me as we journey across continents to uncover the secrets behind these extraordinary beings. Our first encounter brings us face to face with a creature of the night, the melanistic fox. This isn't your average red fox. Oh no, this creature is shrouded in an almost mystical black coat. This striking coloration is caused by a genetic mutation called melanism, which results in an overproduction of melanin, the pigment responsible for dark colors. Once a common sight in the forests of North America, the melanistic fox was nearly hunted to extinction in the late 19th century, their luxurious fur highly sought after by trappers. Today, their numbers remain low, making sightings of these enigmatic creatures all the more special. Imagine yourself walking through a moonlit forest, the only sound the crunch of leaves beneath your feet. Suddenly, a pair of piercing eyes like glowing embers cuts through the darkness. You've just encountered the melanistic fox, a fleeting shadow melting back into the night.
This genetic mutation, melanism, not only gives the fox its dark, mysterious appearance, but also can provide some advantages in the wild.
Our next journey takes us to the African savanna, a land of scorching sun and endless plains. Here, amongst the familiar spots and stripes of cheetahs, roams a creature of unparalleled beauty, the king cheetah. Imagine a cheetah, but instead of the usual dotted pattern, its coat is adorned with bold, blotchy markings and 3 thick black stripes running down its back like a king's cape.
The king cheetah's unique appearance, while breathtaking, made it a target for hunters in the past, who believed it to be a different and more valuable species. Thankfully, conservation efforts are helping to protect these magnificent creatures, ensuring that future generations can marvel at their majestic presence.
From the vast savannas, we venture into the vibrant rainforests of Southeast Asia, a symphony of buzzing insects and chirping birds. Amidst this cacophony of life, we find a creature that seems to have wandered off the artist's palette, the pink Katydid. This isn't your average green Katydid, expertly camouflaged amongst the leaves. This one is a vibrant bubblegum pink, standing out like a beacon in the verdant undergrowth.
Wow, that's so cool! While this vibrant hue might seem like a disadvantage, making it an easy target for predators, it also serves as a powerful signal to potential mates. The pink Katydid is a testament to the power of natural selection, where even the most outlandish traits can find a place in the grand tapestry of life.
Chapter 4. The Ghostly Albino Snake. Our next encounter brings us face to face with a creature often shrouded in myth and legend, the albino snake. Imagine a creature so pale, so ethereal, that it seems to glow in the dim undergrowth.
Albinism, a genetic condition that prevents the production of melanin, is not limited to snakes, but it's in these slithering reptiles that it takes on an almost otherworldly quality.
Chapter 5. The Sapphire Blue Lobster. Our journey takes us from the shadowy forest floor to the ocean depths, a world of crushing pressure and perpetual twilight. Here, amongst the coral reefs and kelp forests, we encounter a creature that seems to have sprung from a pirate's treasure chest, the blue lobster.
This striking coloration is incredibly rare, occurring in an estimated 1 in 2 million lobsters. This genetic abnormality results in the overproduction of a particular protein that, when hit by light, reflects blue wavelengths.
Chapter 6. The Rosy-hued Dolphins. Our exploration of the world's rarest creatures now takes us to the murky waters of the Pearl River Delta in China, where a pod of dolphins, unlike any other, glides through the waves.
These are the pink dolphins, also known as Chinese white dolphins, and their rosy complexion is a source of much fascination and debate. Some scientists believe the pink coloration is due to blood vessels showing through their thin skin, while others speculate it could be a form of albinism or a dietary influence. Whatever the reason, these pink dolphins are a sight to behold, their graceful movements and unique coloration captivating all who are lucky enough to encounter them.
Our journey continues to the exotic lands of India and Sri Lanka, home to a bird known for its extravagant plumage, the peacock.
But amidst the dazzling blues and greens of the Indian peafowl, a rarer sight awaits, the Pied Peacock. This striking bird is predominantly white, its feathers lacking the usual iridescent hues, except for splashes of color around its neck and head.
This unusual coloration is caused by a genetic condition called leucism, which reduces the production of melanin in the feathers. Our quest for the world's rarest creatures now brings us face to face with a creature of myth and legend, the golden tiger.
Imagine a tiger, but instead of the usual orange and black stripes, its fur shimmers with a pale gold, its stripes a soft sandy brown.
The golden tiger's unique coloration is caused by a recessive gene, making it an exceptionally rare find in the wild. In fact, there are more golden tigers in captivity than in their natural habitat. From the heart of the jungle, we journey to a more domestic setting, where a unique Rottweiler named Blaze is capturing hearts with his striking appearance.
Blaze isn't your typical Rottweiler. His once all-black coat is now adorned with patches of white, giving him a distinguished, almost regal look.
Chapter 10, the Dazzling Golden Macaw.
Our next encounter takes us to the vibrant rainforests of South America, where a flash of gold catches our eye high in the canopy.
This isn't your typical scarlet macaw, with its vibrant red, blue, and yellow plumage.
This is the golden macaw, a rare and breathtakingly beautiful creature that seems to have flown straight out of a fairy tale.
Chapter 11, Alby the Albino Turtle.
From the rainforest canopy, we journey to the sun-drenched beaches of Turkey, where a very special loggerhead turtle named Alby is capturing hearts with his unique appearance.
Alby isn't your typical loggerhead turtle, with its dark brown shell and leathery skin.
Alby is an albino, his shell a pristine white, his skin a pale pink.
Title: The Ghostly Panda.
Our search for the world's most extraordinary creatures now takes us to the remote bamboo forests of China, where an elusive creature rarely seen by human eyes roams.
This is no ordinary panda with its iconic black and white markings. This panda is a ghost, its fur a pristine white, its eyes a piercing red.
This is the albino panda, a creature so rare that its existence was once considered a myth. From the bamboo forests of China, we travel to the backyards and woodlands of North America, where a small but extraordinary bird is captivating birdwatchers and scientists alike. The bilateral gynandromorph northern cardinal.
This isn't your average cardinal with its vibrant red plumage. This cardinal is a living mosaic, half of its body sporting the bright red feathers of a male, the other half adorned with the muted brown tones of a female.
Our next journey takes us to the vast steppes of Turkmenistan, where a breed of horse as ancient as the Silk Road itself gallops with the wind.
This is the Akhal-Teke, often called the golden horse for its shimmering metallic coat.
Imagine a horse, but instead of the usual browns, blacks, or chestnuts, its coat gleams like molten gold, catching the sunlight and reflecting it in 1,000 shimmering hues. From the windswept steppes, we find ourselves in the digital age, where a feline phenomenon has taken the internet by storm. Venus, the two-faced cat.
Venus isn't your average tabby. Her face is a perfectly split mask. One side a solid black with a piercing green eye, the other a vibrant ginger tabby with a dazzling blue eye.
This extraordinary appearance is due to a rare genetic condition called chimerism, where an individual is composed of cells from two different embryos. Our penultimate stop takes us to the frozen landscapes of the Arctic, where a polar bear named Paloosa became an unlikely internet sensation.
Paloosa wasn't your typical polar bear, with its pristine white coat. For a brief period, she sported a vibrant purple hue, making her the world's first and only purple polar bear.
This unexpected transformation wasn't a genetic anomaly, but the result of a dermatological treatment. Our final encounter brings us face to face with a creature that seems to have stepped out of a dream. The white lion.
Imagine a lion, but instead of the usual tawny gold, its coat is a pristine white, its mane a pale blonde, blending seamlessly with the African sun.
This is the white lion, a rare color mutation of the African lion, and its breathtaking beauty has captivated humans for centuries. As we conclude our journey through the animal kingdom's rainbow of rarities, we're reminded that the natural world is full of surprises. From the melanistic fox's shadowy elegance to the white lion's majestic presence, these creatures remind us that beauty comes in many forms, often in the most unexpected places. Share your thoughts in the comments below and don't miss our next video on the biggest animals of their kind. Thanks for watching.